This is Kalyani. Today we will discuss about breaking control statement. There are three types of the breaking control statements. They are break statement, continue statement and go to statement. We often come across the situation where we want to jump out of the loop instantly without waiting to get back to the conditional test. The keyword break allows us to do this. When the keyword break is encountered inside any C++ loop, control automatically passes to the first statement after the loop. It can be used within while, do while, for or any switch statement. The general syntax of the break statement is break semicolon. Here this is the flow chart. Here when we are when we are running any while loop, then if conditional within loop is true, if condition within loop is true, then normal loop will. If conditional within loop is false, then go to the break statement and it ends the loop. When conditional within the loop is true, then normal condition will execute it. When the condition within loop is false, then break statement will end the loop. Here this is the example. I have created one integer I and value. I have given I value as 0 and I have given a one conditional loop, that is I less than or equal to 10. If I less than or equal to 10, if the value is less than or equal to 0, then automatically this program will run and this condition will check until these two conditions are satisfied. If it is a false, then it goes to the break and it increments the value and it prints the value. Understood? First of all, while value will check that value. After this condition is completely checked, then this goes to the inside of the loop. Here see, in this program the segment will process only the positive integers. Whenever 0 or negative value is encountered, whenever 0 or a negative value is encountered, the computer will display the message 0 or negative value and go to the first statement. Understood? This is the example of the program. This is the flowchart and this is the syntax. Once again I have explained this program. In this program, the segment will process only the positive integers. Only the positive integers. Here less than 10. This is the positive integers. Whenever any negative values or 0 will encountered, the computer will display the 0 or negative value found as error and exit from the while loop. Understood? Have you understood the whole topic? Please subscribe my channel. Please like my channel. Please share my channel. Thank you.